run a little bit on camera and show you what I'm doing. All I'm doing is start and stop. I ain't got no grind or nothing. It's like 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. Something. I don't even know. Maybe even midnight. Anyway, just get it to where I got good angle on it. I ain't grinding nothing. My stops or my restarts, none of that. Just trying to figure out how the little shit works. I'm going to get on the camera. Oh, my bad. That's the nature of Flux-Core. It looks gross. We ain't got no wire wheel or nothing, just a little chisel tip. Don't hit this shit hard because it'll be able to come back and hit you in the eye. I'm trying to do this looking through the phone, it's retarded. It almost looks like I know what the hell I'm doing. But, I mean, that'll be an exhaust. All out of this little Weldpro. Those are the settings right there. And again, I already know that setting ain't gonna work on, you know, thinner wall or anything like that. But that's just me getting used to the machine. And it's still on 110 right now, over there through the wall. Got 220 in the corner, but like I said earlier in the other vid, whip ain't long enough. But anyway, y'all have a good one. Again, any questions or comments, shit talking, leave them below. Take it easy.